Hey guys, this is Tom here with an unboxing video for Amcrest. And today we're looking at one of the most popular models selling right now, the IP5M-T1179EW. This budget-friendly camera features a stunning low-light 5 megapixel performance with a wide 103-degree viewing angle covering much more ground. It also includes a built-in microphone as well as a wide dynamic range of up to 120 decibels. It includes a heavy-duty weatherproof housing with an IP rating of 67 and flexible storage options such as cloud, NVR, or SD card with up to 256 gigabytes. The T1179 is a turret camera. One of the cool things about the turret camera is that the lens can actually be easily adjusted to your desired position before installation. Now, one of the most common places that you might install this camera might be your front porch or maybe your backyard. And if you're installing it in a business, you might put it in the parking lot or maybe the inventory room. Now, if you want to view your camera, the easiest way is definitely using the Amcrest View Pro app. Now, setting this up on the View Pro app is actually really easy. So I've just connected the camera to a POE switch, so now it has power. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to set this camera up using the View Pro app. So first we have to install the app. So once the app is finished downloading, we're going to open the app. In the top right section, we're going to click Add Device, and then select POE Camera, then P2P Setup. Then we're going to want to scan the QR code, which is on the little cable here. There we go. Then we're going to click Next. We're going to give the camera a name. Let's call it Amcrest Turret. And then you're done. Just press Start Live View and it should connect. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you have any questions about this model, please make sure to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more unboxing videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.